Welcome back to Spark Pass. This video is all about the fastest rides at the Disney World Resort in Orlando, Florida. Across the 4 parks, there are several experiences that are sure to delight any rider. Whether you are testing a car you just designed or screaming your head off while racing down a steep mountain, you are bound to have fun. Most of these rides are quite popular, so you may want to plan your day accordingly at the parks, but make sure to enjoy your time too. If you aren't one for rides, you can also see many shows or take part in other slower moving rides, or maybe even trade your favorite characters on Disney pins. A trip to Disney World is bound to be fun, and today I will show you the fastest rides in the parks. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and click the bell button to be alerted when new videos are up. You can also follow us on Instagram and Twitter under SparkPass.
Speed. I am speed.
That is what you'll be telling yourself when you go on any of these rides at the Disney World Resort. Just an FYI, these items are on Disney World property, not necessarily in one park or even in a park. Comment below which one of these rides are your favorite, and make sure to like and subscribe for more. Number 7. You'll be screaming with terror as you plunge 13 floors on this intense ride. What is it? The Twilight Zone Tower of Terror. Falling at a speed of 39 miles per hour, this ride comes in at 7th on our list. Located in Disney's Hollywood Studios, loosely based off of the hit series The Twilight Zone, the Hollywood Tower Hotel ghosts come to life during a journey on its maintenance elevator. Not only is the ride frighteningly fast, it is also the tallest building on Disney World property at 199 feet. This height was picked as one more foot would require the building to have flashing lights on it for aircraft, which would have ruined the effect. Number 6. You'll be taken to your laughing place, or maybe your screaming place, when you ride Splash Mountain. Coming in at number 6, Splash Mountain in the Magic Kingdom takes you on a boat voyage throughout a cartoonish themed mountain, which is based on the 1946 movie Song of the South, and ending with a 40-mile-per-hour max speed drop at 45 degrees down a 49-foot-long plummet. Watch out for the water though, as you'll be greeted with a wave as you touch down at the bottom.
Please stand clear of the doors. Por favor, manténganse alejado de las puertas.
Number 5. This ride isn't directly in any park, but it does connect them. The Walt Disney World Resort Monorail has the potential to reach max speeds of 55 miles per hour, but it averages 40 miles per hour. This places it behind the next on the list, as I based it on its average speed. This ride may not be so scary, but it is still quick, placing it at number 5. Number 4. You'll be hurtling away from the Yeti in this fast-paced ride. Expedition Everest is the 4th fastest ride on the list, with a top speed of 50 miles per hour. Located in Animal Kingdom, this ride is home to a Yeti and takes place on the famous Mount Everest. Make sure you don't miss this ride while on your trip. Number 3. Thrill seekers will be delighted with this rockin' attraction. The 3rd fastest ride on the list is Rockin' Roller Coaster at Hollywood Studios. The ride blasts you off from 0 to 57 miles per hour in less than 3 seconds. You'll be screaming past neon signs and billboards throughout Hollywood. You'll be sure to enjoy it with its great theming and rock music played throughout the bends and loops. Number 2. You are sure to get wet on this ride, as Summit Plummet at Disney's Blizzard Beach Water Park drops you at a whopping 60 miles per hour down a steep slope. This thrilling ride is the fastest free-falling water slide in the world, and the 2nd fastest ride in all of Disney World. Number 1. You'll be able to design, create, and test your own car design on Test Track. The fastest ride at Disney World is located in Epcot, reaching a top speed of a blazing 65 miles per hour. Here you will go through various car testing facilities to test your overall car performance. Then you'll be blasted outside for a joyride around a track to finish it all off. That concludes the list of the fastest rides at Disney World in Florida. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to leave your thoughts about the list below. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and turn on post notifications to be alerted whenever a new video comes out. Until next time, here on Spark Pass.